This is MiMMO from MiMMO Maps, and welcome back to where we uncover Italy's forgotten landmarks. Today, we're soaring above Castello di Aniceto, one of the best preserved Byzantine castles in southern Italy. Perched 450 meters above sea level in the hills above Motta San Giovanni, this 11th century stronghold commands sweeping views of the Tyrrhenian coast and the Strait of Messina. Built during the Byzantine era, around the early 1000s, Castello di Aniceto was later expanded by the Normans and reinforced during the Angevin and Aragonese periods. Its strategic position made it a vital military outpost protecting Calabria from Saracen raids and maritime invasions. Inside the walls, you'll find more than just military remnants. A small open-air theater, likely used for local gatherings or religious ceremonies, speaks to the castle's civic and spiritual life. Even today, it occasionally hosts concerts and summer performances, linking past and present in a breathtaking setting. If you're arriving through Reggio Calabria Airport, this is your first glimpse of the ancient Calabrian landscape. That jagged silhouette in the distance, that's Aniceto, welcoming you to a region steeped in history and myth. Getting here is part of the magic. Just 25 minutes from downtown Reggio, the road climbs past olive trees and sleepy villages until the ruins emerge, like a relic frozen in time, floating between sky and sea. From above, you'll understand why they chose this ridge. To the west, the glittering coastline of Reggio Calabria. To the east, the craggy Aspromonte Mountains, and across the strait, Sicily, with Mount Etna often visible on clear days. What sets Castello di Aniceto apart isn't its size, it's the silence. No crowds, no tour buses, just the wind whispering across centuries of stone and the gulls circling overhead. It's not just a ruin, it's a sentinel of the Mediterranean, keeping its lonely watch. Thanks for joining MiMMO Maps. If you're planning a journey through southern Italy, carve out a detour for places like this. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, keep exploring.